Hi my beautiful people, I hope everyone is doing well. I'm back with another video. You guys probably will recognize my client here. He came to me long ago needing my help with detangling his hair and treating it and shaping it up because he never combed his hair before and brushed it. He would only wash it and just go. That was just easy for him to deal with. So I was able to help him. If you guys want to watch that video, it's in my channel. Go ahead and do so. But this time he's back because he actually went somewhere else and got his hair colored, and he never came back to trim it or treat it. So he had a lot of breakage in between, and as you guys can see, I am cutting his hair, just shaping it up, and trying to make sure it's even all around. He does have some short pieces, so some of it might not be as even, but we're gonna trim it in about 2 months again. So I will be shaping up his hair, treating his hair, and then we're gonna do a moisturizer treatment and a little bit of protein, and I would add Heavenly hair oil that is made by me in his conditioner and his treatment, and I will use it after as well. So you guys, this haircut and just treatment and curls took almost 10 years off of his face. You guys will see at the end, and give me your feedback of what you think. But yeah, so we just gonna treat his hair and wash and go. And let me know what you guys think about this video. And I will be using my hair oil on his hair. You guys will see it at the end. It's called Heavenly, and it is available on hairstylesbyeden.com. It smells amazing. It has all your essential oils, like sunflower seed oil, grape seed oil, and rosemary oil for stimulation. It's very light. It just smells heavenly as well. So if you guys tried it before or you have it, let me know in the comment what you think about it and give me a feedback. I would love to hear what you guys have to say and if you guys like it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Love you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this short, beautiful video. Have a good one.